So what is subset? A set X is a subset of Y if every element in a X is also inside Y. So what I mean by this is our X, which is a subset of Y. How? Because the set of X have 1 2, so Y also have 1 2 in his set, so X is the subset of Y, which is true. And we note this with subset, the symbol which is here C underscore is denoted for the subset. Another example, X 1 3 4, this is the set of X. Here we have 1 2 3 as usual. Why this is not the set of Y? X is not the set of Y because 1 3 4, here we have 1, here we have 1, here we have 3, here we have 3, but we have 4, but Y does not have 4. That's why it is not the subset. That's why X is the not the subset of Y. Same here, we can see X have 3 4 and Y have 1 2 3. 3 it have, but 4 Y does not have 4, so X is not the subset of Y. Again, one more example with word subset. X have a subset A and Y have that subset, this element A, so it's a subset of Y. To check a subset, look at the element which is A, B, C. Look at the element of X. We see the element of X. If any element of X is missing from Y, then not a subset. Okay. If 4 in this case is missing from Y, that's why X is a not subset of Y. In this example, false, because 4 is not here. But if everything element Y also contain which X wants to have, then X is a subset of Y. This is some tiny exercise which is you have to just answer if this is a subset or not. So just go for yourself. 3 2 1. Okay, so this subset which is 2 3, is this a subset? So it have 2 and 3 and this set have 2 3, so this is actually a subset. True. 1 5, so is this a subset? No, it's actually not, because it have 5 here but it does not have 5 here. X have 5 and it's looking for a 5, but there is no option to choose for 5, that's why it's false. Same for the word set subset AB. Does AB is here? Right. BA, so B is there, right? A also is there, so this is a subset. This is true. One thing we remember, that order doesn't matter, so ABC, BAC or CBA, order really doesn't matter in sets. Let's check power set. Okay, so power set is our set of a set is a set of all possible subset of that set. Yeah, I really, this line is just very theoretical. Let's understand with the example, with the clear picture, because I really didn't get with this line, but maybe it can help you. But with example, I can understand, so thus you can understand. So A is a power set, and these are the subsets. So this one is we call empty set, which have nothing in it. There's 1, 2, and 1 and 2. So how the power set is basically how many possible subsets we can make out of this set. That's a power set. So the power set of P bracket A is P bracket A empty set 1, 2 and 1, 2. Okay. So I'll just mention here because 2, 1, 1, 2 both are same. So previously mentioned order doesn't matter. So yeah, they both are same 2, 1 and 1, 2. That's why. And here's some tiny example for you to try. Make the same like example over here with a word. Write all subsets of A and B just like this. So I can do it right now. So first we should have empty one and A, another is B, and okay, one more last A and B. Right, these are the all possible subsets for S, A and B. Power set, we call that power set. Okay, power set is a one more time let's see. Power set of a set is a set of all possible subset of that set. Basically every this subset of this thing. But I got the question over here that why this empty subset we are including? It is not like mentioned anywhere else like 1, 2, but where is the empty thing? So I just let's understand why it does have empty set. This is a set, this is a subset, right? This is also a subset, this is also a subset, this is also a subset. So the empty subset is basically nothing, like we are choosing nothing, like 0. Let's, in order to understand more, let's just go into this. A subset is any collection of items taken from S. The empty set is a collection where you took 0 items. You didn't choose any of this 1 or 2. You just choose nothing. That's why. And the object example, with the object example, this is a subset of object 1. Okay, so red and blue, we have taken the color. Pick no colors, which is empty set, no color. We have not choose the red and not blue. We pick the red, we pick the blue, and we pick the red and blue lastly. So that's the all subset possible subset of the power subset of this thing S variable, we can say, right? So all possible subset of this power subset, which is here S, here A, and yeah. And let's see one last definition for the empty set. The empty set exists because taking nothing is a still valid way of choosing from a set, right? The easily to understand is like what I understand. You have Zero, like we do in a sequence, whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. There is zero, right? Every set have nothing. What we seen over here, all set have nothing. We can also choose nothing, right? Instead of picking. That's with this object example I somewhat get, but with numbers it's very hard for me to get. With object, I this with example object, I really understand and he said that we have an option for not picking the things. So 0 is also a valid choice. That's all with today max. Let me quickly zoom out to contain all of it. Yep. I didn't know that if that's